JT Coin Rings here. I'm going to show you how I made this key ring. These are some of the supplies I use. First thing you want to do is dome the round. You can use silver, but right now I'm using a copper. This is basically a 1 ounce copper round. You want to do a slight dome. You can buy this doming set at Harbor Freight. And there you go, a nice round. I already put it in level of sulfur, so you see the coloring there. I want to check the position of the copper round on the fob. Now I'm attaching the key ring with the Chicago screws. I chose to use Chicago screws because I can take it on and off if I had to replace it for the customer. It's nice, clean look. It's pretty strong. And then go from there. Now it's time to position it again to see how it looks. The second step is to add the flux. I'm getting ready to put the Chicago screw and attach it to the dome round. Now, I'm still learning how to solder, so forgive me. I'm still watching videos to learn. It's a pretty tough process when you're just learning, but the whole point is to get that Chicago screw on the round or coin so it doesn't come off. I caught a little fire, but I think I got it. Had to cool down for a second. I think it's gonna work. All right, now that it cooled down, let's check it. Oh, there we go. It's stuck. So next thing I wanna do, the flame gave me this nice rainbow patina. I love it. I'm gonna add a nice thin layer of gloss, and that's going to allow that rainbow patina to stay in there. There we go. Lock that right in. It's a beautiful rainbow patina. I'm going to now place it on the fob. And now it's time to add the last screw. And there we go. Make sure it's pretty tight. And you can make it a little tighter so it won't move around. That's how, it all depends on the hole you put inside the leather fob. But I'll do it tighter next time. And there we go. Is it positioned correctly? Now you have a nice round. You can put with your customer's coin ring, and that's good. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my next video. I'll see you on the next one.